This is a video on how to add a new post. Posts are automatically uploaded to your news page if you have a news page. In other words, this is your blog. On the left hand side, you'll see a posts button. If you hover over this button, you'll see a drop down of two options, all posts or add new. Alternatively, you can click directly on this posts button. This will bring up all the posts and the titles of all the posts that you have made. As you can see, there are two here. If you'd like to, in a similar way, if you'd like to quick edit, trash or preview in a similar way we did with the schedule, if you'd like to use any of those quick access buttons, feel free to do so. However, what we're going to do here is we're going to run through on how to add a new post. On the top, you'll see an Add New button, which you just click on. Again, in a similar way to how the schedules work, you'll see a title box here and the body of what you'd like to write for your post. So here we're just going to write news, and here we just for test purposes, news, and then the body, news, read all about it. You can save this as a draft, preview, or automatically publish. If you'd like to work on this later and just save what you have for now, you click Save Draft and you can always come back to this later. At any point, if you'd like to see how your post looks, you click on the Preview button. Alternatively, if you're totally happy with what you have, you click on the Publish button here. Or if you're not happy whatsoever and like to start from scratch, you can click on the Move to Trash button highlighted here. As we scroll down, you can see there are categories here. Always click on the blog category because that's where you want the blog to appear. This is a category which is not very much used. Here you put in the tags. These tags are basically keywords which summarize or are related to your blog. Here, imagine we wrote a blog about sausages, or news item about sausages. You separate your tags with commas, so news, sausages, meat. Once you're happy with those items, you click on the Add button. As you can see, they will be separated with an X signifying that they've been separated with a comma and they are separate words. It is always key to add a featured image, so you click on the Set Featured Image bar. These can be uploaded from your computer at any point. You click on the Select Files and then it will prompt you to select where exactly this file is on your computer. Alternatively, if you have already uploaded this, you can click on the item image which you already have. Set Featured Image on the bottom right hand corner. If the image is too small, you'll be given a warning saying this is too small, we suggest you have it larger, but it's not necessary if you don't want a larger image, of course. So now that you've uploaded the image, you've put your tags in, you categorize the blog, and you've put the title and body of the text in, you can either schedule this to be published at a certain point in time by clicking the Edits button next to the Publish title here. So this can be done, let's say, next month in July at a certain point in time. Click OK and you can schedule. Alternatively, take this back and you can just publish. As we don't need this, and this is only a tutorial, we're going to move this to trash. A pop-up will come up saying, are you sure you want to leave this particular page, i.e. move this to trash? Your changes will not be saved. We don't want that, so we're just going to click leave. Now, as you can see, we're left with the remaining 2 posts. If you have any further items or questions, please don't hesitate to reach out.